Hello everyone, this is Tanisha from First PCA. Today I am going to teach about relational model concepts. First, let us look into the history of relational data model. Relational data model was first introduced in 1970 by a computer scientist and a mathematician named Ted Cod. He was working for IBM when he invented this relational data model. In this model, he gave a simple way of storing and retrieving data. This model was all about organizing data into tables with rows and columns. The relational data model uses the concept of mathematical relations and theoretically it is based on set theory. First commercial implementations of the relational model was by Oracle and slowly even IBM started to implement the same. Current popular RDMS are SQL Server and Access from Microsoft, DB2 and Informix from IBM, etc. Next, let us learn few terminologies in relation to RDBMS. As I mentioned earlier, a relation database model organizes the data in the form of tables. Or in other words, relational model represents data as a collection of tables. A table is also called a relation. So here I can say that a relational model represents data as a collection of relation. In this table, I have taken student as a relation name or the table name. Each row in the table is called as a tuple. In this relation student, we have two tuples or two rows. And each column or column headers are called attributes or fields. In this relation student, we have four attributes of four columns. The next terminology we are going to study is domain. In relational data model, it is a set of atomic values that are allowed for an attribute. The values should be atomic, that is, each value in the domain is not divisible further. For example, a set of values for the attribute name should be a string of characters that represent name of persons. Another example is domain for the attribute employee ages would be set of atomic values with possible ages of employees of a company allowed between 20 and 70 years age. Next, what is relation schema? A relation schema used to describe a relation or a table. Relation schema is made up of a relation name denoted by R and also it is made up of a list of attributes denoted as A1, A2, A3 and so on. You can also write relation schema by including data type as given over here. Next we'll see what is degree or arity of a relation. It is defined as a number of attributes in a relation schema. We just learned what a relation schema is. So in this example, the relation schema that we just saw, the number of attributes are 6. Therefore, the degree of a relation student is 6. Next, what is cardinality? It is a total number of tuples present in a relation. Here I have taken a student relation, attributes roll number, name and age. So the cardinality of the student relation is 3 because there are 3 tuples or 3 rows. Next is relational database schema. Relational database schema is a set of relational schemas and a set of integrity constraints. That is, if I take a company database, the relational database schema of the company would have a collection of relational schemas like the employee relational schema with the employee details, the department relational schema, the project relational schema, and so on. So a collection of all these relation schema along with integrity constraints make up the relational database schema for a company database. Next we'll see what is relations data. state or relation instance. Relations state is a set of tuples at a given moment of time. So that's all with the terminologies in relation to RDBMS. With this we come to the end of this video. Thank you.